In the name of international news media, once again, this is Awi Bayari welcoming you to another edition of Public Affairs. Today, I'm continuing with some interviews with one of the most important person on this cruise line. He is in charge of the audiovisual for many of the events, and that's very, very important, crucial in the presentation of programs and many activities. Today, I'm interviewing Richard
Dalay.
Dalay, and he comes from Laguna, Philippines, and he will tell you where exactly in Laguna, Philippines. And of course, we will discuss about his experience on the cruise line and the things that he has encountered in the past years. Hello, welcome to the show, Public
Hello,
Affairs.
good
How are you
afternoon.
today,
I'm good,
Richard?
ma'am. I'm good, ma'am.
Very
Thank
well,
you.
thank you. Now, first and foremost, which part of Laguna do you come from?
I come from Paete, Laguna.
Yes, and that
carving
is
capital
well
of the-
known for.
Carving capital of the Philippines.
That's right. And what particular fruit?
Lanzones. We have a really lovely lanzones in
That's
in
right.
my
Yes.
town.
Well, you've come so far.
Yes.
You're on your journey to many different destinations. I was wondering, how did you start working for a cruise line?
Well, my first time as a cruise crew on the cruise line is being a cook, and it's the entry level of every Filipino as taking this as an opportunity to go on the cruise lines and the cruise ships. Yeah.
And why were you interested in applying for a job for a cruise line?
Well, mostly it's for financial. The having a work on the cruise ship have a really big offer financially to provide for your family.
That's correct. And did you have any relatives working on the cruise line before that encouraged you?
Yeah, well, most of my brother before were a cruise line employee as well. But now they some of my brothers already merged like on the land base. Like one of my eldest brothers on the Canada right now, working on hotels and such.
Yes, I meant this program and this interview to give a little bit of, well, an inspiration to many people who like to follow your footsteps. So you started as a cook, and later on, what happened?
Well, every time that and every cruise lines have their like a onboard opportunity if you go to change career on the said company, you can do that as well. So I found my opportunity to apply to the entertainment. So and then I took the opportunity and then grab it. Yeah.
Yes, you were mentioned. No, you're doing audiovisual work. What's your experience in this particular field?
Well, it's just the love of music and mixing the video, mixing the audios, and then everything just followed. Like you need to understand the needs of the shows, the drama, the excitement, and the effect that you can bring to the audience who's watching it.
Were you doing this before in the Philippines?
I only did it here on board the ship.
Is that right?
Yes.
Wow, so from what position to this position? What was your position before this?
Well, as I had mentioned, I was a cook before.
Yes.
Yes, but because of the I'm a really techie guy, so anything electronics I really easily understand.
I see. So what's your background in the Philippines? Did you go for technical studies?
Yes. I was an undergrad in electronic and computer technician.
I see.
Yeah, and then plus the love of music and understand music.
That's right. Tell me
That-
about your family.
Well, my family lives we live in Paete, Laguna as well. So I have my wife. I have 3 kids and 2 boys, 1 girl. And
Yes.
yeah, they are back there.
What are the benefits of doing cruise work? What are the things that you love to do?
Well, working on a cruise line is like it's the most beneficial thing that you can do on a cruise line is you can see the world free. Yeah. You don't pay anything; they pay you instead. Where you just need to work with the cruise lines, and then you can see a lot of places in the world. Like I don't know. Well, one of the places that I love the most is Barcelona.
Is that right?
Yes. Yeah. I really love the. Every time that I have the chance to go out in Barcelona, I always make sure that I can go to the Sagrada Familia. It gives me peace, really.
But do you have a chance to really get off the ship and travel and go around the city when you are docked because it's very real time, right?
It depends on what position you are, but in on my position right now, I have the most of the time that I can enjoy and roam around the countries that we visit.
You are very lucky.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Thank you. Then